Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155.
Ukurtong jong United Democratic Party na Nongthymmai Constituency u Dr. Jemino Mautho ulakano bag Jingtheh Pisa Nongthymmai Constituency bat hakiwe constituency kalajur Shaba Palat hakjeng kran bigilat pithai kubuar hadem bala dep thep karteng ha office jong deputy commissioner ban aireng ha election shak yeng dor bhar thau an gijalla u Dr. Jemino Mautho ulaong bag politics of development kade ban wan khmat kat bag politics of envelopment kade ban le chadien kum unong yalam bah khmat jong UDP u Dr. Jemino ulapan pauru ke jingkermen bag UDP kan sakham le abha hakani ke kenti khnang banyo obat yo lakam senchar hakani ke jella
kawai ke bangakwa ban ong hang ni kalong ba ngakhnam pat kentiap seng nadon hak UDP nadu mangajok adu mentaro ngadang yang scam ni hak UDP de haba ngaya yalap election ro ngam ladon palat kata ke problem nakaliang ke jonga nomor ba kipat ba kila itu ya ba kila itu ya keseng ke jonga kejing ia jong kiwe ki candidate kalong kejing ketiap seng ke jongki kejing switch ya ka allegiance nakaliang ke jongki de nga ngasko ba hakini ke kenti ke Mynta walada nakiwe kiwe ki kanhon ki pendan kam da ki buat ki prepare ban job election ban thiet yo patba hakini ke kenti ke Mynta nga bang ya kani ke election na Nongthymmai constituency on the goodwill of the people, Ngakwa namar ke Nongthymmai constituency ketika constituency kebetulan belum, it is a respectable constituency, and I'm banging this election on the goodwill of the people. In spite of the money factor playing a major role, Kumba kalong Mynta, Jingtheh, Pisa, Nongthymmai, Bachikwi constituency along Shaba Palat. Di ngang shukwa ban ong tang de kawai baka politics of development kadai ban wan khmat baka politics of envelopment kadai ban wan chadin di Mynta kaya ta politics of envelopment aga jaka bangin focus on the politics of development di dai nak ni katau ba abang apet ya ka jinglong ka jingman ka state ka jongi aga jela ka jongi ka jinghiar aga baidai ka imlang salang ka sensyar ka khadar nasnoba iduan sim ya kani ka challenge Mynta ban penthamai biang ya kani ka sensyar ka khadar aga ni ka jela ka baidai ka jongi we are very confident as a party also we are quite upbeat now and I am very certain that we are going to emerge victorious this time and I'm very sure that the UDP will play a major role in the formation of the next government. If you look at the indication, it appears to be like that only, but we are positive that the UDP will do much better this time, and we hope that we will be the major party that will lead the government in 2023. They may say anything, but if you look at the performance of the national parties in the state of Meghalaya, there's nothing to feel proud about, no? You look at the disintegration of the national parties. You look at the non-acceptability on the part of the people as far as national parties is concerned. So we feel that, UDP will be in the front seat this time. All roads leads to UDP. And I'm very sure that no government will not be formed without, without UDP being there.
So they are also comments.
Nobody can form the government without the UDP. Nangashkwa batong nang nagaway namar ba nila ya pankreya ya ka manifesto na kaliang ka party gitui. But kaway ka ba ni ko manifesto kalong ba we want a healthy Meghalaya. Ang i-claim sa healthy Meghalaya kamun H for health, equal ban focus on the health sector, equal ban focus on the education sector, equal ban focus on the agriculture and allied activities, equal ban focus on law and order, equal ban focus hakabaidi bat ka youth development, equal ban focus hakabaidi bat ka employment, hakabaidi bat ka tourism sector, but kumjuru hakabaidi bat ka development of the constituency iporkaway. Man penkiu ya kar kom jong ki pat ba nong shong hakan ke jela ke jongi Lalu pipet akan kejelah ke jungi, bahwa pipet ya ke report nak kalian juga niti ayu loong gomno. Maka jelah ke jungi kawan kebasan ke jingduk. Oh, jelang pipet ya ke jingbon jungi BPL akan kejelah ke jungi lu lalu adu kata-kata. It is nothing to feel proud about. Nim semua sarong ya ke belah ja ya ke belah yad ke bagi berkeniga di komsensyar ya ke jelah ke jungi. Mending lagi kita tahu bang, ni semua bang, ni don kamban penthamai bang. Sesisian, ya kini kesan pertai, nang bang ni lah ban penkiu ya kini kejelah kedungi syaki kerdan ke baham shalot. I think those who are saying that are completely wrong, because if you look at the United Democratic Party, from 6 seats we have now increased to 12 MLAs. And if you look at the candidates that we have put forward from different constituencies, there are many who have also come from different groups, and so we can see from all indications that now different groups are also inclined to the unity.
Yang lagi akun por bagane de sin kabasan. Tengah kadang tanggawe gathong. Kata kalong ba kasan hima sima kari kam khuj ka kam gantang. But nangai skam ba lada nongbu nong thau. Ula tho shun kiblay kam do jinge Punjab. Tengah krimen skam ba hakne ka ti Mynta. Ngan keren ya ke ba isu jong ki pajba. Ki badaya ka jela, ki badaya ka ri, ki badaya ka judgment riu, ki badaya constituency, nga kremen scam ba ki pajba kinsa jit yang kum nom ikmat joki na ka arpusan mosndam constituency. Akhne don so benta. Ka banang kong kalong nam takari, namar haba ngiyang ban mi ikmat ngadang sudah ban file ya nomination jong Mynta, kamun ngihaban smai haka kerteng jong constitution. Ban ngahab ban trei karkum ke constitution. Kumba kalong ka ri India jongi ka don kam ya ka north east ka jongi namar ba ka north east jongi ka long ka gateway sha ka south east Asia menshwa ki onga east policy mita look east policy but nagamta jonga ngakwa banong ba it should be south policy ladangi kwa ba ka jelai miklia jongi kan kiu ni haban phai sha Bangladesh namta khai ka pateng ni don shibun ki kat khai ka Kashwapara ka Bakli ka Cherakau ka Borsara ka Beltoli ka Dauki hendai kini ki jaka baro ka Surak ka Jingtheh jongki ka long la Palat teladangi kwa ban kentiu ya ka yo ka kot lembaga foreign exchange ka bangiyo lembaga ekspor ka jelaru ka yo jumentoi ka riru ka yo jumentoi ladangi kwa bakari kan long kari ke bakhlain ni dan kambat pengklain ya ke ekspor ni dai kambat pengklain ya khai pateng habapai sa kajela ni don ka jinge ka bakhrau ba san house ne Mynta habiya de baru purusam la de penmi to kot me khlia boundary based on North Eastern Reorganization Act namar ni de bas thu shai bangiem la ban light na ka constitutional boundary habire berkejai benriu kaktin khasi kadang sakut kabar ngimla ban klet bangla penmi hiru da kakot bala don kam ban penbej ya kar konspel dak ha kaktin khasi ya ka banga ai khublei yo ba George lengdo MLA jongko umroi bala ra ya kene isu hapo ga ing dor ba thoan halor ka to kakot ka bangla penmi Kabalai, kabasau namta constituency. Hamas ram ngidon bon kijinge. Toki surok kilenti sengking ka kawang anom kren mar babalai keladon lupa hapo ka 7 schedule. Mar hapo ka 7 schedule kila kren ki ai ki benta ki ba ka sarkar jela ka habanle. Hanrei. Ngidon kam ya ki jaka pule puthi ki babiang. Hadu Mynta ngidon ya ka college ke batang ka arts. Ngidon kam bandon ya ke sans, ngidon kam bandon kam ya commerce. Kata ke dong ke jingdon kam ya nomor lemba ke jingna jing start ngila ban weng ya ke jinge. klaim kaji nang jistan ngimla bersendur Nongthymmai yang perkan perdain. Tengah kuat bah ke export point. Tapo rengku ke bah siam lah pentai kam Mynta ngakwa ban pentikna bah kane ka jaka export point ban kiw ya ke kamai ka kaji jong ke mau sendam Constituency ke de ban pli.